Meditating with Krishna, the Lord of the Universe, with Mahavatar Babaji guiding the meditation. Light a candle unto the great Lord of the Universe, Krishna, that one who brings delight to your soul, likened unto that long ago time on earth, where he brought divine ecstasy to the gopis, the milkmaid of days gone by. If you have a picture of Lord Krishna and wish to place a flower offering there, please do so. Let yourself be free of external noise by sitting in a quiet place with spine straight. In the Ajna energy center of the third eye, see Lord Krishna sitting in the yogic position in a green valley with the magnificent snow-capped Himalayan sacred mountain range towering behind him. Perceive Mother Ganga rapidly flowing toward lower elevations at Krishna's side. Perceive the peace of divine light upon Krishna's face and request that he assists you to create that same peace in your own face and being. Perceive Krishna as he extends his hand and lovingly touches you at the Anahata energy center, the heart area. Allow Krishna's divine and conditional love to enter into your spiritual heart, trusting that you can receive what the Lord is offering you, his devotee and his own. Meditate with Krishna for 20 minutes or an hour, and we promise that you will know and feel the cosmic Lord's love for you. Receive Lord Krishna's grace. I am with you. Know that Lord Krishna and you and I are one. Know we are one with all your heart, with all your mind, and with all your soul. Feel the love of the universal Lord of your being. Fly with Vishnu's Vahana, Garuda, into the far wild blue of freedom's gate. Know yourself and be free, my friends. Come home to freedom. Let peace descend upon your being. I bless you. I bless you. I bless you. Mahavatar Babaji, champion of all people, everywhere.